Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I would like a prepaid SIM.
How many gigs do you need?
Not many, maybe 20 gigs per month.
We have this offer, 20 gigs, unlimited minutes, £10.
Perfect. How much is the SIM?
The SIM is included. You only pay the first top-up.
Do you need an ID?
Yes. Passport or ID card.
Okay. How long does activation take?
About 10 minutes.
Can I keep my number?
If you want, but we need the code from your old operator.
Then I will get a new UK number.
Okay, I will send you the app to check your data.
Thanks. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Sign here.
Done.
Perfect. The SIM is active. Have a nice day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I'd like to sign up.
What membership do you want, monthly or weekly?
What's the difference?
The weekly lasts 7 days, costs £15, and includes weights and cardio rooms. The monthly is £35 and also includes 2 classes per week.
Got it. What are the hours? Do you open early?
Yes, from 6 to 22, Monday to Saturday. On Sunday from 8 to 13.
Perfect. Can I take a trial class?
Sure, today at 18 there is a yoga class.
Great. Are there also Pilates and functional training classes?
Yes, Pilates on Tuesday and Thursday at 19. Functional on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 18:30.
Do I need to book the classes?
Better to, via our app or by calling reception.
Do you also have a trainer who can show me the machines?
Sure, the first 10 minutes are free with an instructor.
Great. Do I need a towel and clean shoes?
Yes, towel is mandatory and clean gym shoes. Also bring a bottle of water.
Are there showers and a hairdryer?
Yes, in the changing rooms. We also have lockers. Bring a padlock or you can buy one here.
Do I need a medical certificate?
We recommend it. For the weights room it's not mandatory, but for classes it is.
Okay, I'll bring it next week.
So, shall we proceed with the registration?
Yes. I'll take the monthly.
Perfect. First and last name?
Julie Adams.
Date of birth?
May 23, 1999.
Phone number, please.
338-688-3231.
Thanks. An email.
julie.adams@mail.com.
Home address.
20, Oxford Street, London.
Do you want to receive the class schedule by email or WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Thanks.
Perfect. I'll explain the main rules. Clean the machines after use. Use the towel. No bags in the weights room.
Got it. No problem.
Payment, card or cash.
Can I pay by card?
Sure, the total is £35.
Here is the card.
Thanks. Payment approved. Do you want the receipt?
Yes, please.
I'll also give you the access card. With this you enter and exit.
Can I lend it to a friend?
Better not, it's personal.
Understood. Can I pause the membership if I travel?
Once a month you can pause up to 1 week. You just need to tell us in advance.
Perfect. Thanks.
For today's yoga class, would you like to book?
Yes, at 18.
Booked. Arrive 10 minutes early. I'll show you the room.
Thanks. What should I bring for yoga?
If you have a mat, bring it, otherwise we provide one. Towel and water always.
Okay.
Do you have questions about Pilates or functional classes?
Is there level for beginners?
Yes, we have basic and intermediate levels. To start, I recommend the basic.
Perfect. Can I change class if I can't come?
Yes, up to 2 hours before the start you can move the booking.
Great.
Would you like a quick tour?
Gladly.
Here is the reception. There on the right the cardio room. On the first floor the weights room. The changing rooms are at the back.
All clear.
Welcome, Julie Adams. See you later for yoga.
Thank you very much. See you later.
See you later. Have a nice day.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yes, I have yoga today. I need a mat and a bottle.
This mat is non-slip. It costs £20.
Great. How much is the bottle?
£8, stainless steel.
I will take both. How much do I pay in total?
£28.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Here is the receipt.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your class.
Good morning.
Good morning. I need a padlock for the gym locker.
With key or combination?
Combination, please.
This one is water resistant. It costs £7.
Okay. Is it easy to use?
Yes. Set the code here.
Perfect. Can I pay by debit card?
Sure. Do you want the receipt?
Yes, thanks.
Here it is. Have a good workout.
Thanks. See you soon.